Okay, guys, gals, friends, family, I want to welcome you back to the channel. I'm super stoked today. I got a General Patton bushcraft gear close-up. But first, I need each and every one of you to hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that bell icon. Most importantly, leave me a comment and let me know what you think about today's topic, which is the Leatherman Free P4. Most importantly, leave me a comment. Today's subject is General Patton's gear close-up, and we're talking about the Leatherman Free P4. Here's the case. Very nice. Canvas, heavy-duty snap. Takes a real beating. Washable. Very nice. And here it is. This is the Leatherman Free P4. Okay, 21 tools included. And I know a lot of you out there love that Alone show. And most all the contestants, you know, they choose this Leatherman Free P4. Let's take a look at why they do. I got my handy note paper for you guys today. Again, I want to thank you for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button. Share the video. The Leatherman Free P4 is made in the USA. Matter of fact, it's made in Portland, Oregon. The founder, Tim Leatherman, came up with the design about 37 years ago. I encourage all of you to stop by his website and look at the short documentary on that. It's really cool. One good tidbit from that documentary is that about 37 years ago, after struggling for years and years, after thinking that it was only going to take 3 months to come up with the prototype, they finally got their first order from guess who? Cabela's. 500-piece order for $12,000 back in 1983. That was the first Leatherman, the first design. Only had a few tools on it. Today's model, the Free P4, 21 tools included. It has a closed length of 4 inches and a quarter, 4.25 inches long. Open length is 6.45 inches. The blade length is 2.76. Weight is about 8.6 ounces. The width, okay, 1.3 inches. The overall thickness, 0.68. It's made of 420 HC stainless steel and regular stainless steel. Made in the USA. All tools are manufactured in Portland, Oregon. It's operational with one hand. Let me try to do that without sticking my tongue out, but there it goes. Fully operational with one hand. There's my pliers, or my needle nose pliers, or my wire cutters, or my heavy wire cutters. Let's go ahead and see if we can close it back up. Okay, one hand operational. Every feature on the tool can be opened and operated with one hand. This enables the user to be multitasking, multifunctional. All locking features. All locking features means that every tool and knife on the body of the handle, with the exception of the pliers, lock. So let's see. what they just said there. Okay, there's our blade, knife blade, locks into place right here. Beautiful. By locking them into place when fully open, the user can put pressure. We can put pressure on the tool and feel comfortable because we know it's locked into place. Frustration-free tool access. Every feature of free is accessible on the outside. So here it is. I'm going to release this locking mechanism, close that blade one-handed. And that blade is very sharp, trust me. Magnetic opening and closing. Hope you guys can hear that, but it kind of clicks into place and you can feel the magnetic click of it. Okay, Leatherman Free's revolutionary magnetic locking system allows smooth, quick access to tools, letting you work with speed and confidence for years. Okay, it's got this really nice clip out here, like a belt clip or maybe a pocket clip to go in right inside where your money clip goes, maybe. As I mentioned earlier, it has 21 tools inside. Let's go over all 21 real quick. I don't want to bore you guys, but here we go. Needle nose pliers, regular pliers, premium replaceable wire cutters, premium replaceable hard wire cutters, 428 seed knife, .428C serrated knife, spring action scissors. Look at that, boing boing. Okay, again, the release, you go away from the blade, away from the tool, and it releases it. A saw, pry bar, package opener, awl, can opener, wire stripper, ruler, wood/metal file, bottle opener, electric crimper, Phillips screwdriver, medium screwdriver, small screwdriver, extra small screwdriver. This is the Leatherman Free P4. Very cool. This is what everybody's taking on the Alone Show. Almost all the contestants love to take this. We saw Clay on season 8 build all those real cool Christmas presents for his boys. Those planes made with this bad boy right here. There's a look at the saw. Again, guys, gals, friends, family, please hit the subscribe button, bell icon. Leave me a comment. Please leave me a comment. Again, thank you for stopping by the channel. Today's topic, the Leatherman Free P4, General Patton's Bushcraft and Self-Reliance School Gear Close-Up.